Hello everyone. So today I'm bringing a very small tutorial about how to use O condition and AND conditions in Power BI. So this is my data source and this has 5 columns, and let's see how we can use AND and O conditions in Power BI. So in the O condition example, what I'm trying at, okay, let's say I want to get the total sales value of month 1 and month 3. So let's see how we can do that by using O condition. First come here and create a new measure. Okay, so in the measure I write sales value 1 month and 3 months. So just a small measure, and let's see now how we can do that. So first you need to use calculate. We need to calculate the sum of sales value, and then okay, now like try the filter. So our sum sheet 1, the time bucket should be equal to 1 month. This is the O condition, how we can write it. O sheet time bucket equals to 3 months. Right, so now if we add it to a visual, right, so as you can see, by using the O condition like this, so we can achieve that. So in the next example of how to use AND condition, I say we try to take, okay, time bucket is 12 months and customers equals 25. So let's see how we can do that by adding a measure, how to do AND condition in Power BI. Again, I create a measure. Just type AND condition. Okay, so then again I calculate sum of sales. Again, I'll filter sheet time bucket equals 12 months. This is the AND condition. So you have to type 2 ANDs, and I would say customers equals 25. Right, so now I add that to a visual again. Right, so as you can see, so that is how we add the AND condition. So thanks for watching my video, and keep in touch for more Power BI videos.